Europe, Asia, North America, South America, Oceania, and Africa. This, as you can see, works worldwide, and you won't need a camera or any skills in order to get paid. Stay tuned to learn how. Just before we start, let me remind you that if you like this type of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you don't want to miss more said videos, then make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever a new video pops up. With that said, let's jump straight into the video. So, the very first site that I'll be showing you today is called Shutterstock.com. This is actually the site that will be paying us today. Now, Shutterstock is a place where you could literally find thousands upon thousands of royalty-free images, meaning that when you download them, you can use them literally however you want. And the reason so many people are using Shutterstock is simply because it's far cheaper to pay Shutterstock a set amount of money per month and download images that were taken by professional photographers rather than to buy a camera, try to take them yourself, or alternatively, having to pay a photographer. This is why Shutterstock is extremely popular. It's just simply a cheaper, easier alternative if you want to find great looking images. Now, you'll find on their homepage some of the world's biggest companies. You have the likes of Google, AMC, BuzzFeed, and Marvel on here, so it's definitely a legitimate website. Now, as I said, this site will pay us, and as you may guess, this means that we'll have to upload photos on here. But here's the kicker. You won't need a camera or any skills for this purpose. I know that most of you watching this don't have a camera, let alone skills or experience in photography, so I'll make it clear right away you won't need them. Now, something that makes Shutterstock so great to make money online with is that you'll essentially be making money in passive income. The way you get paid is simple. When someone downloads your photo, you get paid a set amount of money, and since your photos stay on here forever, that means you can make money in pure passive income. You just upload the photos here and leave them be, and that's all there is to it. Your work is essentially done. Moreover, something that makes Shutterstock even better to get paid by uploading images is the fact that it's so popular. Using this site that I've shown quite a few times on my channel already called similarweb.com, you can see exact statistics on how much traffic any website out there gets in the past few months and whether or not the numbers are increasing or decreasing. As far as Shutterstock is concerned, the numbers are increasing as you can see. In the past month, 74.8 million people visited Shutterstock. This is 3.37% more than in the month of February, but only 70 million people visited the site. So basically, not only are there millions of people visiting Shutterstock, which means that you have a great opportunity to make a lot of money, but the numbers have been increasing as of late, so it's a great time to start using it to get paid. Anyway, back on Shutterstock. I want to show you precisely what you need to do when you first come on here, which is to scroll down to the very bottom and then click on Sell Your Content, which is located just under the For Contributors section. Doing so will take you straight over here, and on this page there are several things I'd like to show you. First off, you can see in a bit more detail how this works. So basically, photographers take their pictures, they then upload them onto Shutterstock, and they'll make money every time their content is downloaded by one of our worldwide customers. So, like I said before, the more downloads on your photo, the more money you'll make. And since this site gets so much traffic, it's virtually guaranteed that you'll get paid a decent sum. Lastly, on here you can see that you can also refer people here to earn more money, and this site is actually fantastic to promote as an affiliate. I'll go over that later on. For now though, the last thing I want to show you is something that I said in the intro. By clicking on it, See Global Earnings, you will see that this site is worldwide available. I know that many of you want sites that are available in most countries, and Shutterstock is definitely it. Doesn't matter where you're from, this site will work in your country and you can make money using it. In any case, to get started working for Shutterstock, what you need to do is come back over to here, come back up, click on Get Started, then just enter your basic information and create an account and you're good to go. With that done, let me show you the site where you can get the set photos, and idplr.com is what you will want to use. This is a site where you can find not only images but also various other products, and you can see which products exactly by hovering your mouse over products here. You've got ebooks, software, videos, templates, graphics, and music. Since we're after photos, you'll want to click on with Resell Rights, located just under the graphics sections, and that will take you over to here. As you've seen, it said Resell Rights. That means we have full rights to make money off these photos, and something I really like about this site, and that I think you will too, is that these photos are all grouped up into packages, so to speak. So you won't have to spend God knows how much time downloading them one by one. Just download one of these packages that contains hundreds up to thousands of different photos. For example, here's one of those that I've opened up, and if you scroll down here, you'll see this. Can be sold? Yes. So you can sell this and make money off of it. Something of note is that you also have some things you can't do, such as modify the product, so keep that in mind and make sure to read all of this before downloading the photos. In any case, to download it, you just have to click on download right here. However, in order to do that, you'll need an account, so just click on here and create one real quick. Once you do, you will want to download all of the packages you can find on here, and then just come back on over to Shutterstock and upload all these photos you've just gotten. And since there will be so many of them, that enables you to make a lot more money in passive income, since we're literally talking about thousands of photos here. Now with that said, for those of you who have stayed with me up until this point, I have a bonus strategy for you to earn even more money in passive income. How? Well, through their referral program that, if you remember, I mentioned a while back. To get started as an affiliate, simply scroll down to the bottom once more and click on Affiliate, located under the Partner section, and just check this out. Join the Shutterstock affiliate program and earn up to $300 per new customer purchase. So a single person you refer here can earn you up to $300. It's insane. Shutterstock is one of the highest paying sites out there as far as affiliate marketing is concerned, so it's definitely worthwhile to promote it as an affiliate by using various social media platforms like Facebook, for example. Of course, you don't need to, but it's a great option in my opinion, since the money will start adding up when you add in the affiliate program. Lastly, in case you're a photographer or want to become one and you have a camera, then that's the best option out of all, since taking the photos yourself will add originality, and to top it all off, you'll be able to do what you love. So in that case, you don't need my strategy in order to get paid. And with that, this is it for today's video. If you liked it, as always, support me by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you haven't already, be sure to click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on future uploads. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.